Wire the receiver. Magnet adhesive ready. Locate the Z-Probe port and terminate. Receiver's LED, power on. Manual trigger check. Both LED active and beep. Ensure tool tip contact is centered on the touch plate. Click Settings and find the probe command. Input the Z-Probe code on the user manual. Use the exact thickness value found on the tool sticker. Click OK. Click Z-Probe. Running probe routine. Z0 confirmed. Establish XY0. Start your project.